Gin. 11-point lead for the Milkmen. Si Sonny Jaworski has now checked into the ball game. Unang pagpasok ng playing coach ng Gordon's Gin. Vince Hizon. Umiyak sa labas. Jaworski. Wala.
Brian Punsalan doubling off Robert Jaworski. And yan ang ginagamit ni Coach Tinko na basic weapon to stop the double team, and that they're using the man, the defensive player, of probably the worst scorer on the other team. Aquino finally getting the 2 points in transition.
6 na puntos si Marlo Aquino, 2 puntos kada quarter so far. Ang kanyang performance way below his average dito sa All-Filipino Cup. Samantalang Bong Hawkins getting a triple three. And Alaska continues to hum sa kanilang opensa. Aquino, back-to-back baskets para kay Marlo.
And taking it from the outside. That time his back was not to the basket. Facing the basket, taking the jump shot, using the glass.
53-41 ang ating pong score. 12 ang abante ng Alaska Milk.
Partner leading the charge here for Alaska, Johnny Barrientos, with 16 points in the first half. Si Jaworski yata tatawagan ng foul.
Loose ball foul. Well, ang nakatapatan ni Sonny Jaworski, itong si Pochvino, who's almost 4 to 5 inches taller than him. Samantala yan po si Val David has not had a particularly good ball game. Only 4 points lahat nagmula sa free throws. Ang Alaska starting out this quarter with the same lineup na nagpasimula nitong larong ito. We've had 3 deadlocks so far. Ang huli po ay 14. Samantala, Bong Hawkins challenges Aquino. May foul na itinawag sa pagpasok ni Bong Hawkins.
And a good pick set up by Brian Punsalan, allowing Bong Hawkins to move straight into the hoop.
Meron tayong injury update, Kinitos, kay Johnny Barrientos at yan po ay kay Anthony Santay. Anthony?
Okay, thank you very much, Noli. Ang sabi ng doktor kanina, dito ka lang ka Johnny Barrientos during the halftime break. Ang sabi niya, he suffered a first-degree sprain. Makakalaro siya ngayon, nakikita nyo. He's on the floor. But, sabi nila, during the course of this particular game, makikita niya kung lalala itong sakit na to, and he might have to be pulled out. That's all from here. Let's go back to you.
Salamat, Anthony. Yan po si Johnny Barrientos. He continues to play despite that slight sprain. Bong Hawkins, on the other hand, continues to struggle from the line. 3 misses already from the free throw line. He makes the second one on this trip. At abante po ng 13 ang Alaska Milk.
Robert Jaworski has 2 long-range bombers on the court for Gordon's Gin. Si Hizon at saka si Kido Jarecho.
Parang mabagal ang galaw nitong Gordon's Gin. Nasa LP ito ng araw. 33 more than 45. Mintis na naman yung tira ng Sonny Jaworski.
Actually, Brian Punsalan is giving Jaworski the shot. That's 2 attempts now for the Big J.
Drop pass ni Maximosa, tumama sa paa ni Brian Punsalan. A turnover laban sa Alaska Milk. It's still a 13-point ball game. Tandaan po natin ang Gordon's Gin protecting a 3-game winning streak. Samantalang ang Alaska trying to come off a 2-game losing streak as well. Parenzo, triple B, offline.
Good boxing out by Alaska. Hindi nakapasok si Marlo Aquino for the possible offensive rebound.
Labing isang rebound na. Ito si Bong Hawkins, 10 coming off the defensive glass in addition to his 10 points. Lastimosa, on the other hand, with 13 markers. Barrientos, fall away, makes it. Another offensive rebound by Pochvino this time. Nakita natin sa stat sheet natin Kinito na abante ang Alaska dyan.
Yung sa rebound department, yeah. Parang kulang sa intensity yung Gordon's Gin so far, ha? Although itong Gordon's Gin, in a split second can explode. You've seen that in the game against Papola. They were down by 10 in the 4th period. Sila pa nanalo by 14 in the end.
And tatawagan ng illegal defense ang Alaska Milk. Si Coach Tim Ko naghahanap ng kanyang sunod-sunod, ikasyam na sunod na pagpasok sa kampyonato. Kinito, no, that is going to be some kind of a record.
That's true. That's a tremendous achievement. He has 8 consecutive finals appearances. This is the coach Tim Cohen, and bringing Alaska to 4 straight championships, counting the third conference of 1995.
15 seconds of shot clock ng Gordon's Gin. Arencio, triple V sa corner. Yes! Dito Harencio, pang-apat na triple B. Lahat ng puntos niya nagmula sa 3-point area. 12 points in the ball game at natapyas ang abante ng Alaska sa 10. 54-44. Hawkins, hinamon si Locsin. Inilabas kay Uino. Lastimosa. He takes a jumper. Oh, it will count. May kasama pang foul and Jojo Lastimosa is on fire.
Here's a rare 4-point play opportunity for Jojo Lastimosa on the foul by Hison. Panurin po natin muli. A little too late on the part of Hison to try to stop that basket. Yun, pumasok.
Alam mo, sinasagot ng Alaska, Kinito, ang bawat itapon ng Gordon's Gin ngayong hapon na to.
And more.
And more. Lastimosa already with 16 points. Ang average po niya in his first 3 games, only 13.7. But tonight, or this afternoon, nagpapakitang gilas itong si Jojo Lastimosa and make that 17 markers for Jolas.
Partner, what is at stake here is the pride of Alaska. Alam nila that Gordon is undefeated. If Alaska wants to get back in the groove, sabi nila, what better way than to beat the only undefeated team in the league. But the reason why Alaska is playing, I think, with a lot more motivation and intensity than Gordon Gin at this stage.
Traveling ang tinawag ni Punsalan. Good call. Medyo nag-alinlangan itong si Brian Punsalan. Tuloy, tinawagan na naman siya ng traveling.
Well, mabilis bumaba yung depensa ng Gordon Gin, and that's the reason why Brian Punsalan did not have easy access to the basket. Ito na naman ang double team ni Brian.
3-point shot na naman. Harencio Mintis. Rebound nakuha ni Bong Hawkins. Siya na rin nagdadala ng bola. Lob pass. Uy, binato na lamang ni Pochuino. Nakakuha pa ng foul mula kay Vince Season. At yan ang tinatawag na swerte.
Yes, and smart play on the part of Pochuino. Well, hindi bumaba si Robert Jaworski in this fast break play. Tinapo na lang ni Pochuino using the left hand, and he was able to get the foul. That's 2 straight fouls coming from Vince Season.
At saka act of shooting yun, Kinito. So, bibigyan ng 2 free throw itong si Pochuino. So again,
paano naman niya ititira yung tira na yun? Parang hook shot. Hindi mo maintindihan.
Sa likod na ng basket dadaan yun eh.
That's a mark of a smart player, a very intelligent player. And I'm sure this is something that Coach Tim Cone has drilled into the minds of his players, yung mindset ng players niya. But they always have to be alert, take advantage of every possible opportunity sa loob ng court.
Tandaan natin itong Alaska, halos hinakot lahat ng awards last year. Pochuino was the most improved player of 1996, and he makes both free throws. And don't look now, it's now a 16-point lead para sa Alaska Met. Illegal D na naman ang itatawag lamang sa Alaska, at yan ay pangalawang violation. That'll mean a free throw now para sa Gordon's Gin.
Good adjustment in the offense of Gordon's Gin. Kanina nakita natin, they kept on swinging the ball over to Marlo Aquino at the low post. This time it was the other post, si Noli Locsin. Kanya nagulat na lang ito si Brian Punsalan. I think he's used to doubling Marlo Aquino. Aquino sliding outside, and the reason why the illegal defense was called because the tao ni Marlo Aquino was straddling. Aquino was outside, and that's why there was a defensive violation.
Locsin, short stab and gets the basket. So a 3-point play on the reverse. At ang abante po ng Alaska natapyas sa 13, 60-47. 7:15 remaining in the third quarter. Punsalan, laban kay Jaworski. Turn around. Natapik kay Jaworski at tatawagan ng foul si Sunny Jaworski.
Punsalan, I think, now has the green light to attack the defense of Robert Jaworski. Big height advantage of Punsalan over Jaworski.
Diyan si Dudut, sabi niya, siguro pwede sabihin, Dad, ako na lang.
Hindi, sabi ni Dudut, Dad, hindi naman talaga foul yun eh.
Oo. Yun ang tinuro mo sa akin eh. Brian Punsalan, isang transferee mula sa Pure Foods. Had a blossoming career as an amateur, pero dito sa PBA, medyo antala ang kanyang pagsikat.
Ito si Brian Punsalan, I think, is a role player. And he might be able to blossom here with Alaska because this is a team that is used to giving and defining roles for its players.
Punsalan on the break. Oh, masyadong malakas. Masyadong kinabahan. Locsin, pinihitan si Bong Hawkins, and Noli Locsin now beginning to get his scoring act together. At ang abante po ng Alaska Milk down to 11 points, 6-44 ang nalalapis sa ating third quarter. Hawkins, no good. Rebound. Marlo Aquino at si Sonny Jaworski at subalit tumawag ng foul si referee Bernarte mula sa labas.
Partner, pinagalitan ni Tim Cone si Bong Hawkins for taking that outside shot. Sabi niya, ano ba? You know, under fire, under attack from Gordon's Gin, you need to be patient to break the momentum. You do not take a shot like that from the outside. You need to get ball rotation and the best possible shot.
Well, that's not also the shot you want. Kung naghahabol ka.
Eh kung nagalit si Tim Cone, palagay ko, nagalit si Jaworski din.
Naglalaro siya eh. Tira din ang tumawala. Locks in ngayon. Forward pass, Harenzo, laban kila Stimosa, umangat, jumper off the glass, wala! Tabik ni Luxin, and it's handled last. Bola ng Alaska Milk. Pero ang action dito, nagpipick up na Quinito. Mukhang yung dalawang kupunan, bahagyang nang nagigising, especially ang Gordon's Gin.
Mukhang nga, yes, the lead has been tapered down to just 11 points. Very manageable ito. There's still a whole quarter left to go at 5:56 in this period.
Alam natin ang finishing kick ng dalawang kupunan na to. Hindi ka nga ubusan ito hanggang kaduluduluhan. Lastimosa, 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Tumingin sa taas. 5 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Inilabas si Hawkins. Bail out shot. Makes it. Humihingi ng foul si Coach Tim Cone. No foul called. 24-second violation. Laban sa Alaska Milk.
Partner, I think Johnny Barrientos is hurting. He's not taking control of this game. We'll talk about that when we come back from this timeout.
Alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Tuloy po namin kayong binabate mula sa Cuneta Astrodome. Mga kaibigan ng PBA, si Congressman Ramon Bagating, si dating Solicitor General at ngayon ay Ambassador Raul Goco, Congressman Gary Teves, isang talagang kaibigan ng PBA. And of course, Commissioner June Bernardino on Commissioner's row, watching this ball game among the many people who have come over to the Cuneta Astrodome to watch this game today.
A steal underneath the basket for Alaska na naman.
Oo. Mabiling. Turnover after turnover dito, Quinito, so far.
Ayan. Both teams exchanging turnover.
Si Bong Hawkins, parang nauunahan ngayon siya ng konting init ng ulo. Kanina, tinawagan siya ng technical, tapos nagkaroon siya ng konting...
Well, parang nawawala ang first ng Alaska. As Sonny Jaworski getting a big triple.
Sonny Jaworski finally getting his first 3 points of the All-Filipino Conference 1997 edition. Ilang edition na yan, si Sonny Jaworski. Mula pa na 1975. Bong Hawkins, turnaround. Laban kay Noli Locsin. Nilabas ni Punsalan kay Coach Tim Cone. Hindi ako naka-uniforme, sabi niya.
Punsalan with the passing error. Johnny Barrientos, as I mentioned just before the timeout, doesn't seem to be too much involved in the offense of Alaska. I'm wondering why. It's probably not because of the defense. Maybe because he's closing. Okay, he's got control of the basketball. But only that speed. He doesn't have that burst of speed.
Ayaw, tumutok eh. At may foul.
We did hear that report from Anthony Stecanina saying that he's suffering a slight sprain.
Sonny Jaworski, tawagan ng kanyang second or third personal foul. Yan naman ay 16 foul na ang Gordon's Gin at bibigyan ng free throw. Uy, ayun na. Ayun na, Quinito, ang bagong promo natin ngayon.
Aha.
The Hyundai PBA Winning Drives. May malaking cash prizes every month, mga kaibigan, and the Hyundai Elantra sedan will be given away on the Grand Draw. So watch every PBA game and spot the Hyundai Elantra sedan or Hyundai Coupe on your screen. Write it down on the entry form found in Hyundai print ads and drop them in drop boxes at any Italcar dealer. For more details, just see your posters and print ads.
Lasting also with the first free throw. Kanina binanggit natin si Johnny Barrientos. Parang limitado ang kanyang galaw, no? And sure enough, in that previous play of Alaska, usually he would just go towards the basket and attack the defense. Pero hindi. Hindi niya sarili niya.
Hindi naman kabilisan ito si Arenzo, so kaya niyang unahan to. Jaworski laban kay Castelo. Cayoso, pinasa sa loob. Triple team si Marlo Aquino manages to put it up. Subalit, makakakuha siya ng Consuelo. He will pick up a foul from Merwin Castelo. Second foul laban kay Castelo.
Well, very clearly, Alaska denying Marlo Aquino any opportunity to score easy baskets. They'll want him to earn his point at the stripe.
Marlo Aquino had a tremendous year last year, almost an MVP year. Alam mo, he was first in blocks, first in rebounds, first in minutes, third in points. He almost had the same numbers ni Benji Paras back in 1989. Subalit ika nga itong si Marlo Aquino. Naapektuhan of course nung hindi pagpasok sa kampyonato. But again, Marlo Aquino's potential ika nga is perhaps so vast na mahirap ispilingin.
And he's getting better and better. But only 2 rebounds in this game. Limitado siya in that department.
Just an 8-point lead. Oy, nagpakita si Abarrientos na ayos pa ako, at least yung mga kamay ko.
Oh, but you see him hobbling.
Oo, iika-ika.
He's not really running as smoothly as he usually does.
Ang tanong dito ngayon, is that good for him? Ika nga, is it worth it?
Yes.
Samantala outside
take a rest. Pero it only goes to prove that Coach Tim Cone wants this.
Oo.
Talagang gusto nilang manalo, no?
Tandaan natin, si Johnny Abarrientos, hindi na kasing galing ang kanyang back up ngayon dahil wala pa si Boyet Fernandez. Jun Reyes is no longer with the team. Samantala, Hawkins gets away, bangs bodies, wala offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Lastimosa tip in, and Alaska dominating the offensive glass.
Yes, despite the presence of Marlo Aquino.
Uy, nakatanga yung depensa. Looks in, almost got the basket. Pero si Bong Hawkins tatawagan ng foul on that up and under move ni Noli Locsin. Third foul of the Hawk.
Well, kulang sa tulong sa rebounding itong Gordon's Gin, and I think the reason is magandang box out tactics ng Alaska, no? But here is also where they are hurting because of the absence of EJ File sa rebounding nila, no? And I mentioned earlier, somehow what compensates for the lack of presence of the EJ File is the offense of Noli Locsin. But in this game, Locsin still has not really been able to hit his stride.
Dito lang siya nagpapasimula sa third quarter. Kinito, 14 points. He has 7 points here in this quarter.
Yes.
Although nung first half, medyo mababa.
At saka si Locsin, alam natin, he's averaging over 20 points. 21 in the first game, 21 in the second, and 26 in his third game here in the All-Filipino.
Noli Locsin, pinagmamalaki ng Bacolod City. Kaya mga Noli, yan talaga mga ano.
Magagaling, ano ba?
Malalaki lang. 8 puntos po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Under 3 minutes to play in the third quarter. Gordon's Gin already in the penalty. Ang Alaska, tatatlong team foul pa lamang. Lastimosa, siyang nakakakalas sa kanyang opensa. Poncinho, short jumper, masyado malakas. Rebound, Paige Vicayoso. Naagaw ni Castelo and a great hustle move mula kay Merwin Castelo. Jaworski, lob pass. Marlo Aquino right in the middle. Wala. Offensive rebound sa kanya pa rin. Kumangat, may foul. And he will get 2 free throws. And the foul will be charged against.
Okay, hindi nga na ipapasok ni Marlo Aquino yung kanyang mga layup, but he is now getting scoring opportunities inside the paint.
Si Merwin Castelo ang tinawagan ng foul. Third foul yan ni Castelo. May timeout ang Alaska Milk. Tungkol sa Bae, Alamba, Santa Rosa, at subong na lawigan ng Laguna. Yan po si Johnny Abarrientos na kanina ay iika-ika pero patuloy ang kanyang laro. Samantalang ang Gordon's Gin naman ay nag-ahabol. Ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Alaska Milk was at 16. Subalit ngayon nataktis na ng bahagya. The lead is down to 9. Make that, no, just to 9. And that's split charities ni Marlo Aquino.
But an opportunity here for Gordon's Gin to try to dominate the boards. Now, this is a relatively short lineup that Coach Tim Cone has. Wala si Hawkins, wala si Ramas, wala si Kutsalan. Pero nakadala na si Jorge Lastimosa for the offense. At sinong bumagsak?
Si Benny Cheng.
Looks like a bad fall. He's holding on to his head. Masama ang pagsak ni Benny Cheng. It might have hit the back of his head. Let's hope he's okay.
Because si Benny Cheng, yung kanyang career has also been marred by a lot of injuries, Kinita. And we hope this is not one of those that may sideline him for a while.
Both his eyes are closed. He must be suffering concussion siguro ito.
Masakit yan. Hindi natin kung ating nakuha yan doon sa huling ano natin, ha? Pero Benny Cheng has been playing good defense. Tingnan natin ang ating slow-mo dito, Kinito. Drive ni Lastimosa. And Benny Cheng hitting his head hard on the hardwood.
There was a whiplash.
Sakit.
Yung whiplash motion. Ito, tingnan natin from a different angle.
Medyo nawalan siya ng balance, oh.
Yes.
Yun, lumabit pa yung paa.
Benny Cheng.
Dito hindi masyadong
head hitting the hardwood.
This is a good sign na nakaupo na. Ngayon titindig na itong si Benny Cheng. That's a good sign.
Yes, and his eyes are open.
Para sa dito sa dating King Cardinal ng Mapua. Benny Cheng getting a round of applause. Playing defense kay Lastimosa, pero talagang grabe lang ang opensa ni Jojo Lastimosa ngayon.
Yes.
Already with 23 points si Jolas.
Highly motivated yung ika nga, tatlong alas ng Alaska. Highly motivated si Barrientos, si Hawkins, saka si Lastimosa. Although Hawkins, on and off ang kanyang laro, steady naman, no? Ang performance ni Lastimosa at saka ni Barrientos.
Talk about Hawkins, he has 10 points. Si Barrientos, 18. Lastimosa with 23. Pero ito si Noli Locsin, hindi naman mapapaiwan. 17 markers for the pack.
Beautiful move by Noli Locsin. He's known for that.
Jam ang abante ng Alaska Milk, a minute and 45. Gordon still trying to keep this lead manageable. A foul.
Too tight the defense of Pido Horencio.
Nasa penalty na po ang Gordon Skin kanina pa. Second foul ni Pido Horencio, and Lastimosa will go to the free throw line. Malaking respeto nila kay Jolas.
Oo. Ayan, sa pinapakita naman ni Jolas sa laro ito. Kita mo naman, no? He certainly stepped up his offense.
Jojo Lastimosa also had a tremendous year last year. Came back to the mythical 5 si Lastimosa. Average 15 points last year.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, tatlong alas. Maganda yan,
Maganda talaga si Willie.
Lastimosa with 24, Barrientos with 18. Hawkins, somewhat the weak link in that triangle, no, with only 10 points.
Malibasa ito si Willie, galing ng Mimosa eh. Pero alas ang nakikita. 72-61 po ang ating score. 11 ang abante at may foul. Illegal D.
Now, three-guard offense being played here by Coach Robert Jaworski. Galing na muli si Bal David. Pido Horencio is there and Jaworski himself. So we're going to try to combine forces with Locsin and Aquino.
Alam mo partner, bagamat si Marlo Aquino may 11 puntos and he has scored 7 here in the third quarter, parang kulang pa yung kanilang paggamit kay Marlo. And how do you expect Sunny to change this in the fourth quarter?
Well, sa tingin ko, no, they've got to get more movement out of the players. Because kung stagnant ang attention nila, mahihirapan ito si Marlo Aquino to be able to get scoring position. That time, sometimes it also takes Robert Jaworski to find the opening for Marlo Aquino. Aquino just has to be more aggressive in going strong to the hoop.
Tignan mo tong pasan to. Amazing yung passage mula kay Jaworski. Just off the fingertips ni Merwin Castelo. Right at the hands. Wala nang galaw-galaw, walang dribble.
Yes.
Right at the basket na
Yung
sumakto.
tinatawag natin na drop step ni Marlo Aquino. No? But in that situation, he was already scoring up. Lumabas ang bola for Alaska and Gordons will keep.
This is just an 8-point lead, mga kaibigan. Alam ni Coach Tim Cohn that no lead is safe. Lalong-lalo na kapag ang kaharap mo ay Gordon's Gin.
There's just 1:28 left here in the third period.
Oh, bad pass. That time, malayo sa basket si Marlo. Narito si Dwight Lago. Hindi pwede sa harapan ni Marlo. Sabi niya, atras ako. Hintayin natin yung mga kampe. Nabitawan ni Fox Jr. Nilabas ni Lago. Abarientos takes the jumper. Triple B attempt and conversion para kay Johnny Abarientos. And all of a sudden, that lead goes back up to 11.
And that was a 5-on-4 situation. Naiwan na naman sa depensa si Coach Jaworski.
Jaworski babawiin sa press. Masyado malakas. Rebound ni Lago. Kagad ibinigay kay Johnny Abarientos. Under a minute to play. Bumaba na yung abante sa 8 and they had an opportunity to cut it down to 6. But another turnover cost them. Lastimosa getting another foul at si Bal David. O si Jaworski. Yes, Bal David will pick up the foul. Then a second foul, or rather third foul, ni Bal David.
Jorge Lastimosa, heady play, attacking the defense of Bal David. Nakakalamang ito si Jorge Lastimosa in terms of height over Bal David.
Grabe ang performance ni Lastimosa po ngayong araw na to. Already with 26 points. At alam ni Fred Udengso kung gaano ka hirap magtrabaho itong si Jojo Lastimosa. Great work ethic for this superstar from Cagayan de Oro.
90% shooting from the stripe in this game. He's all fired up.
Next, both free throws. At si Benny Cheng, mga kaibigan, patuloy na ina-ice pack yung likod ng kanyang ulo. That must really be painful at this stage. Lockstein pumipwesto sa poste. Nilabas ni Jaworski. Nilulubayan ni Castelo yung depensa niya. Jaworski, sasaksak. Nilabas ulit kay Arenzo. Isang fake. Umatras sa triple V area. Kumalog. Rebound. Napulot ni Jaworski. Jaworski goes inside. And it will go Alaska's way.
And Jaworski claiming that he was hacked on the way to the hoop. No call from the referees.
5-on-4 na naman to, partner. Si Sonny Jaworski ay nasa
Still in the backcourt. Mahimintay siya ng Alaska.
Oo, sabi
well,
nila.
of course, Alaska realizing it's last shot time here in the third period.
7 seconds remaining. Abarientos, Dilsutan does not get the drop. Offensive rebound. Kevin Ramos! And Alaska going to town dito sa last minute of this third quarter. At naibalik nilang kalamang ang 15 behind the 27 points si Jojo Lastimosa. We'll be back for the